Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make the subscript on your Microsoft PowerPoint web. And if you are new to this channel, just make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the subscript in Microsoft PowerPoint web, I just going to show in this video detailedly. So like A to B to C to how to create. So first of all, I just cap locked and just type as A B C D. So here I just want to type as A2 and B2 C3 like that. So first of all, how to make the subscript? You just want to select the number that you want to make it as subscript, and you just go to the home option on the font section. Here you will find this option to the near the strike through, so you can see the X tube like this. This is called subscript. You just want to press it, it automatically go to the normal subscript portion like A2, B2, and just select it, just press it, just select it and press it. If you want to undo any option, just select it and just turn it off, it automatically turned off. And another thing you just want to remind that if you after creating the subscript you just want to turn it off, and while so you will can type it normally. So this is how you just use the subscript option on your Microsoft PowerPoint web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.